My favorite part of cooking at the lake is getting fresh herbs from the garden. Today I'm going to collect a little bit of parsley and basil for our Mediterranean spaghetti. How good does this look? And the basil looks just as amazing. I wish you could smell this through the screen. It literally smells incredible. It's our little foraged collection of herbs. We got some basil in there, some parsley, and my famous green onions. The tomatoes are all sliced and ready to be put on the barbecue. Now you want to prep the rest of your ingredients. You get your garlic minced, chop your olives in half, cut up your parsley and green onions, and your lemon rind. Once everything is done being cooked, you mix everything together. Start by adding the tomatoes and then garnish with your red chili flakes and basil and feta, and you're ready to serve. Bon appetit. Ready? I personally love listening to Italian music, so I'll share a link to my favorite playlist for this meal.